Thursday morning. It's supposed to be 90 degrees today. Um, you know, I've talked quite a bit about the 1025R and all the benefits, and I really like it for making firewood, moving firewood around. Right now we're filling the wood bin that we built a couple of years ago, and I also like this Gravely wood splitter. It's a 27-ton wood splitter with a Subaru engine on it, and I really like how it's got the tray to put the bigger logs, slide them right on. This eliminates a lot of lifting for me when I do it with the bucket and onto that tray. And then it's also got, once you start splitting, it's also got the arms that come out on the side, the black arms, that hold, the pieces from falling. That Subaru engine starts right up, runs just as smooth as can be. We're going to work another hour or so until it gets a little too hot to handle, but trying to get the wood bin filled for this winter.